So, I made a video just over a week ago. It was to do mainly with the RC-N3 controller. What I was doing, I was comparing this one and the RC2 controller, flying the Mini 5 Pro, and I was doing cruise control. Anyway, I did say that there was a problem with the RC-N3 controller. Now I did this, I'm going to be honest, before the latest update, but that shouldn't make a difference because using the RC-N3 controller, you're using your phone or your tablet, and thankfully at the moment the DJI Fly hasn't been updated yet. But saying that, I was showing how to do the cruise control using the FM button. Now I did do another video, please check that out guys as well. But when I was doing it, the very first time I pressed the button, Mini 5 Pro straight into cruise control. I was a little bit shocked, but it did it. And after that, I must have done it, I don't know, probably about 10 times. And it just wouldn't go. So I said, I think there's a problem there. But actually, there's not a problem. I stick my hand up, I was wrong. What I think was going on is when you press the FM button, you only got to press it for a second. If that, not even a second. Just press it and it will go straight into cruise control. I've got to thank John. He was about the only one that made the comment saying, Shaun, you've only got to press it a fraction of a second and it would go in. And I thought, yeah, okay. But I do always go out and check these things. I've got another thing I want to check as well later this week, is I did another video with the latest update for the Mavic 4 Pro, and I was having problems with master shots. But somebody else told me on that, I can't think of his name now, but he did say maybe because it's early in the morning, the sun does affect the sensors apparently, and he says he thinks it's that. I'm not disbelieving it. I'm going to go out and fly the drone sort of midday-ish in a different location, because I think that's the other thing. If you do get problems, maybe go into a different location and try it again. So that's what I'm going to do with that. But in today's video, I'm going to show you in a moment, there's nothing wrong with it. And it's just press it. Anyway, watch the vid. I've got the Mini 5 already there to take off. I'll do auto takeoff. Now you might hear a bit of a sort of a... Yeah, you're going to hear a sort of a humming noise because I just did another video that went completely wrong. Check it out. But it's still flying. But just don't worry about that noise. That's completely safe. So what we're going to do... So obviously my FN button is already set up for the cruise control. So what you're supposed to do is push the right stick forward, and then you just press the FM button the once. And it worked, which is fantastic. So I'm going to press it again to come out. I'm going to turn it around towards me this time, he says, moving the wrong stick. Okay, I'm going to go this way this time. I'm going to raise it up a little bit so we have no problems. So, move the stick forward, press the FN button once, and it did it. Okay, just stop that. Okay, I'm going to do it backwards this time, because I quite like that, doing it backwards. So, pulling the stick back. Press the stick once. So that's a quick video, isn't it? Right, you can do another way. You can press the pause button here. That'll take you out of cruise control. And I can press the return to home button.
Return to home.
Just some extra tips thrown in there. See, I'm so generous to you lot, aren't I? Anyway. So that last video I'd done where I was saying I think there was a problem with the
cruise control. I was completely wrong. But hey, this happens sometimes with me. But I did check it out properly, didn't I? I mean, I did. If you watch that video... Okay, I'm just letting the drone land because obviously all this racket that's going on, you're going to hear me. And that funny purring sound. Okay, so that's stopped now. So yeah, so guys, if you got the RC-N3 controller, there's nothing wrong with it. Even though I was amazed on that FN button, how many things that you can do. But check out that video because, yeah, I was amazed the list that you can do on the FN button. Anyway, obviously what you do, you just press it very quickly. You don't keep your finger on it. That's probably what I was doing, wasn't it? But hey, I'm man enough to admit, huge mistake. So, that just proves, guys, if you're a subscriber, you catch on to how I do my videos. But if you're not subscribing, you just pop in every now and again, like most of you do, then you're not going to get how I make these videos, are you? Anyway, just a quick test. I've got to thank those guys that put that up, because it's not easy. I mean, you know, you watch a video, well, if you watch any of my videos and you don't say nothing, then I ain't going to know, guys. I'm not going to check that out and recorrect it. But yeah, I will try. I do get quite a few comments about things. Some of them are a little bit too technical. I ain't got time for those sort of things, but I do check them out. So yeah, as always, there'll be another video coming right sooner.